Hello everyone, let us start the MCQs. First MCQ, this is based on the chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals and Practical Geometry combinedly. The three angles of the quadrilaterals are each equal to 75. Find the fourth one. Okay, three are equal, so you can write 75 threes are. So this is sum of three angles, and the fourth angle I'm taking x, and sum of all the four angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree, you know that. So this is 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, and 1 22. So plus x is equal to 360 degree. Now you can find x by transposing this 225 to the right hand side, and it will subtract. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Here is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So it is 125 degree. So let us check again what is wrongly happened here. This is 10 minus 5 is 5. Here is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. I'm sorry. This is 135 degrees. So this is B option. Right. Now come to question number 2. Which of the following diagonals bisect each other? So square diagonals bisect each other. The diagonal of square bisect each other. Also the diagonal of kite is also bisect each other, right? So square must be there. I think square is the answer. Now third question, for which of the following figures all the angles are equal? In the rectangle all the angles are equal, in the square all the angles are equal. So we have given rectangle. For the fourth question, for which of the following figure diagonals are perpendicular to each other? In the square, in the kite, right? In the rhombus, kite and square, right? So kite is given. Question number 5, for which of the following figure diagonals are equal? Diagonals are always equal in square and rectangle. So what we have given, that is rectangle. So it is the right answer. Question number 6, which of the following figures satisfy the following properties? All sides are congruent, all the sides are right angle, all the angles are right angle, opposite sides are parallel. So and okay, we have given some figures. Opposite sides are parallel, all the sides are congruent. Congruent means equal size and shape. So this is square, right? So R is the right option, because all the angles are of 90 degree in the square and rectangle both, but the sides are congruent in square. So question number 7, which of the following figures satisfy the property has two pairs of congruent adjacent sides? Okay, adjacent sides are congruent means same shape and sides. This is the same figure because these are two adjacent, these are two adjacent, so two pairs we have to find out. So this is the C option. I'm sorry. Come to question number 8, which of the following figures satisfy the following property? Only one pair of sides are parallel. So one pair of sides are parallel in trapezium, and it's look like a trapezium, right? So this one pair of parallel sides are there. Two pair of parallel sides are in parallelogram. Now question number 9, which of the following figures satisfy? All the sides equal. This is square and rhombus. All the angles are right angle. It is square. Opposite side are parallel in the square also. So the right answer is square. Question number 10, which of the following properties describe a trapezium? A pair of opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Yes, it satisfies trapezium. The diagonal bisect each other. It doesn't. The diagonals are perpendicular. No, it is also not. The diagonals are equal. It is also not. Right. So first part is the A is the right answer. Now come to question number 11. Which of the following property of a parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel. Yes. The diagonal bisect each other at right angle. No, not at right angle. The diagonals are perpendicular. No. All the angles are equal. No. So only A part is right. Question number 12. What is the maximum number of obtuse angles that a quadrilateral can have? Okay, how many obtuse angle a quadrilateral can have? You know, the first obtuse angle I'm taking is 91, right? So if you add 91 then 91, what is the addition? 112 3, right? 9 9 18, 18 and 9 is 27, 270. If you subtract it from 360, 10 minus 3 is 7. This is 15 minus 9 15 minus 7 is 8, and 87, this is a acute angle. So maximum 3 obtuse angles can be there. So 3 obtuse angles, right? So 13th question, how many non overlapping triangles can we make in a n-gun by joining the vertices? Okay, so in the n-gun, you know that sum of interior angles is n minus 2 into 180 degree, right? So n minus 2 are there, because after 180 it will overlap. Now come to question number 14. What is the sum of all the angles of a pentagon? You know, n is 5 in pentagon, so use the formula n minus 2, that is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. It is 540, but I want to tell how to find it. So this is 3 into 180 degree, so 18 3s is 54. This is 540, I told you, but this is the formula n minus 2 into 180. N is the number of side in the polygon, so this is 540, right? Now come to question number 15. What is the sum of all the angles of hexagon? It is obviously 6 minus 2 into 180, because hexagon have 6 sides, 6 equal sides in regular hexagon. So 6 minus 2 is 4, and 4 into 180 is 720 degree, right? So this is D option. I'm sorry students, I'm not well today. Question number 16. The two adjacent angles of the parallelogram we have given. Find the ratio of these angles. Okay, you know that in the parallelogram adjacent angles are always supplementary to each other. So first angle is 5x minus 5 and second angle is 10x plus 35, right? So sum of these two angles must be 180 degree. So let us solve. 5x plus 10x is 15x. 35 minus 5 is 30, positive 30 equal to 180 degree. Now 15x is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree. So how much will be in the right hand side is 150. So 15x equal to 150. 15x is equal to 150 degree, and x is equal to 150 degree by 15. You can cut here. 15 ones are 15, 15 tens are 150. So value of x is 10 degree, 10. Now find the angles. So 5 into 10 minus 5, this is equal to 50 minus 5, that is equal to 45 degree. This is the first angle. Now second one is 10x plus 35. So instead of 10x we will put a 10 here. So 10 tens is 100 plus 35, this is equal to 135 degree. So we have to find the ratio. So 45 ratio 135. So you can cut here. 15 3s are 45 and 15 9s are 135, right? So again you can cut here. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So this is 1 ratio 3. So let us check which option is showing you 1 ratio 3 is first option, right? Come to question number 17. The quadrilateral whose all sides are equal, opposite angles are equal and the diagonals bisect each other at right angle is. Okay, these all properties lies in the square, right? All sides are equal, so two possibilities are there. One can be rhombus and second is square. Opposite angles are equal in square and rhombus both. Diagonal bisect each other at right angle both in square and rhombus. So you can write square, right? And in rhombus also both can be there, because in the square all the angles are equal and in the rhombus opposite angles are equal. So most probability is of rhombus, but you can write square also. Now come to the next question number 18. The quadrilateral whose opposite sides and all the angles are equal. Opposite sides and all the angles are equal. This is rectangle. right? Opposite sides are equal in the rectangle, you know that, and all the angles are of 90 degree. So this is rectangle. Next is question number 19. A quadrilateral whose all the sides, diagonals and angles are equal is: all sides are equal in rhombus and square. Two possibility, rhombus and square, right? And diagonals are equal, so rhombus have unequal diagonals, so only possibility is square. So come to question number 20. How many diagonals does a hexagon can have? A hexagon have 6 diagonals, 9 diagonals, right? So come to question number 21. If the adjacent side of a parallelogram are equal, then the parallelogram is a rectangle, right? When because the only difference between a rectangle and a parallelogram is that the sides of parallelogram are equal. Okay, then it is not a rectangle, I'm sorry. Sides of the parallelogram are if equal, it become a rhombus, and a square also, it becomes square. Okay, it becomes square. Now come to 22nd question. This is what we have given: if the diagonals of the quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other. Okay, diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Diagonals are equal in square and rectangle, and in both they bisect each other, then the quadrilateral is rectangle and square both, right? Because in the rectangle and in the square the diagonals are equal and bisect each other. At right angle, if we have given, then square, otherwise both can be there, right? So it can be rectangle or square. If we have not given one more condition here, one more condition is required here to choose one option. Come to 23rd question. The sum of exterior angle of a triangle is 360 always. Which of the following is an equiangular and equilateral polygon? Equiangular means all equal angles, equilateral means all equal sides. In the triangle it is equilateral triangle, in the quadrilateral it is square, right? Come to question number 25. Which of the following properties of the kite and parallelogram? Okay, kite is a figure, you know, having two isosceles triangles on the same base, where upper and lower triangles are isosceles. And in the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, one pair of opposite sides. Parallelogram, two pair of opposite angles are equal. So in the trapezium, one pair of opposite angles are equal. In the rhombus, all the sides are equal, so it is not possible, because rhombus have two isosceles triangle of the same measurement, right? So the property that has of a kite and parallelogram is parallelogram only have the property of these two. 26th question. The angle of quadrilateral are in ratio this, then the smallest angle is. At first we have to find the angle. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, so it become 10x equal to 360 sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral. So x equal to 360 by 10, you can cut and you will get 36 degree. So 36 degree is the smallest angle, right? Because when you find here angle na, this is x, that is 36, this is 72, this is 3 times of 36, so 36 is the smallest angle, right? So come to 27th question. If a trapezium ABCD, the measurement of angle D is, let us see the figure. You have to find this D angle. You know that these two lines are parallel, and if it is transversal, these two are A and D, both are interior angles to the same side of transversal, so they are supplementary. So angle D plus this 55 equal to 180 degree. So angle D is equal to 180 minus 55. When you subtract, you will get 10 minus 5 is 5 and 7 minus 5 is 2. 125 degree. Let us see the option D. Right. Now come to question number 28. A quadrilateral has 3 acute angles. If each measures 80 degree, then measure of the fourth angle. Okay. You have 3 angles of 80 degrees. So sum of 3 angles is 80 into 3 and fourth angle I am assuming x, that is equal to 360 degrees. Sum of interior angles of the quadrilateral. So this is 240 plus x equal to 360 degrees. So x is equal to 360 minus 240, and what you get from here? Let us rewrite it. X is equal to 360 minus 240. So what you get from here is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 120 degrees. So let us see. This is B option. Come to 29th question. The number of side of a regular polygon where each exterior angle has measurement 45 degree. Okay, number of the sides you have to find out for the regular polygon. You know that number of side multiply by each exterior angle equal to 360 degree. So this is the formula you will use. So n multiply by 45 degree equal to 360 degree. Now find n, that is n equal to, when you transpose 45 to right hand side, it will come in the division. So let us cut it. So it cut at 3, I know that, but for you I am taking 9. 9 5s are 45, right? And 9 4s are 36 and 0, 5 8s, I'm sorry, it is 8. So 8-sided polygon. So 8-sided polygon is called by octagon, right? So this is A option. Come to question number 30. As you see in the parallelogram, PQRS, angle P is 60 degree, then other 3 angles are, I'm roughly drawing a parallelogram. This is PQRS, RS, right? If P is 60 degree, this R is also 60 degree, and this Q is a supplementary angle of P. So 180 minus 60, you will get 120 degree. So it will be 120 degree. Q is 120 degree, then S is also 120 degree because opposite angle of the parallelogram. So these are 60, 120, 60 and 120. So let us check which option is showing you the same thing. 60, 120 and 120, right? B option. If the adjacent angles of the parallelogram are in ratio, find the measurement of the angles. So these are adjacent angles. So 2 and 3 5, x equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree in the parallelogram. So divided by 5, you will get 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30. So this is 36 degree. So this is the value of x only. So angles are 2 into 36 and 3 into 36. So degrees. So this is 72 degree, right? And this is 108 degree. So let us check which option is showing you the same thing. That is A option, right? Come to question number 32. If PQRS is a parallelogram, then angle P minus angle R is equal to, in the I'm roughly drawing a parallelogram. This is PQRS, right? So this P minus R is 0 because both are equal angles, and if you subtract the equal angles, you will get 0 degree, right? So answer is 0 degree. So come to question number 33. The sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is, you know that the sum of adjacent angle in a parallelogram is 180 degree. Come to question number 34. The angle between two altitudes of a parallelogram through the same vertex of an obtuse angle of a parallelogram is 30 degree, and the measure of the obtuse angle is, it is 180 minus 30, you know, this is 150 degree. Come to next question, 35th question. In the given figure, we have given A, B, C, D and B, D, E, C. This is B, D, E, C. Two parallelograms are joined, and Also it is given that BC is perpendicular to BD, right? This is you have shown already. So then BEC, this angle BEC you have to find out. This is equal to this angle, and this C is same as E. This is 30 degrees, students, and if it is perpendicular it is 90 degrees. So in the triangle BDC, so I'm taking this triangle by using the triangle sum property, interior angle sum property. Sum of interior angles of the triangle are 180 degrees. So one is 90 we have given, second is 30, because opposite angle of the parallelogram BDCE. So plus this angle D equal to 180 degree. So your angle D is equal to this D, that what we have to find out. This is 9 and 3 120, 90 and 30 120. When it subtract from 180 you will get 60 degree, right? So this angle is 60 degrees. So in this parallelogram opposite angles are equal, so D is same as this E, right? So this is 60 degree. So let us see which option is showing you 60 degree. This is first option. Now come to question number 36. The length of one of the diagonals of the rectangle whose sides are 10 centimeter and 24 centimeter is. So you have to find the length of diagonal of a rectangle. I told you a rectangle part, the diagonal part are rectangle into two triangles of equal measurements, right? This is a right angle triangle, and if we have given one side is 10, other side is 24, you can use Pythagoras theorem. So find the diagonal. I'm taking D for diagonal, so D square equal to 10 square plus 24 square. So this is equal to 10 square is 100, 24 square is 576, and this is equal to 676, and this is the square of 26, students. So 26 will be the answer. So let us see which option is showing you. The third option is showing you the same one. 37th question. If the adjacent angle of the parallelogram are equal, then the parallelogram is a rectangle, because if they are equal, both of 90 degree obviously, and you know that opposite sides are equal and angle is 90 degree, so it is a rectangle. So come to 38th question. If the following are can be the four interior angles of the quadrilateral, we have to find the sum of all the angles. If it is 360, then it is possible to be a quadrilateral. So add these, you will get 100 plus 100 200, 240, and 60 300, 320. So it is not possible. Let us check the other one. This is a 20 and 30 is 50, 150 and 50 is 200, 200 and 270 is 470. So this is also not possible. So let us check the third one. 40 and 70 is 110, 110 is and 90 is 200, and 200 and 60 is 260. This is also not possible. So let us check the other one. This is 110 plus 40 is 150, 150 plus 30 is 180, plus 180 is 360. So only the fourth part is possible for the quadrilateral. We will add all the angles and check whether it is 360 or not. Come to 39th question. The sum of the angles in the concave quadrilateral is. Okay, if it is asked interior or exterior, it must be equal to 360 degree. It may be concave or convex, it doesn't matter. The sum of angles in the interior and in the exterior both have 360 degree as the measure. Now 40th question. Which of the following can never be the measure of exterior angle of the regular polygon? So let us check. We just divide 360 by the number 22, then 360 by 36, then by 45, then 30. If you cut it and you will get a natural number, then it is possible to be the number of the sides, otherwise not possible. It can be the exterior angle, otherwise not be possible. When you divide 360 by 36, is it completely cut. If you divide by 45, it completely cut at 8, and if you divide it by 30, it is also cut at when you divide the 360 by 3, you will cut at 12, right? But 22 is the number. When you cut 360 by 22, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16 and 0. 180 by 11, it is not the natural number. So 22 cannot be an exterior angle of a quadrilateral of any polygon. So 41st question, the best is the rhombus and the value of y minus x is. Okay, you have given a rhombus and also you have given one angle is 40 degree here, and y you have to find out, and then you have to find out y minus x also, right? So you know that in the rhombus diagonals bisect each other at a 90 degree, so y must be 90 degree, right? So this is 90 degrees, students. If it is 40 and you know these two are if parallel sides and this is a transversal, this is alternate interior angle, 40 will come at S also. So in the triangle, let me show y is 90 here, and so that this is also 90 degree and this is 40 degree, right? So in this triangle we can find x from here. Sum of the angles x plus 90 plus 40 equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 minus, when you transpose the sum, this is 130 degree and 50 degree will be x. Y was 90 and x was 50, so the difference is 40 degrees. So let us check which option is showing you 40 degrees, the first option, right? Now come to 42nd question. The closed curve which is also a polygon is. Okay, you know that according to the definition of the polygon, a closed curve made up of straight lines only is a polygon, right? So this is a polygon, this is also a polygon, this is also a polygon. It is not polygon, it may be given here is not a polygon, right? So these are polygons but this is not polygon, right? Come to question number 43. Which of the following is not true for an exterior angle of the regular polygon for side n? Exterior angle is right, exterior angle is 180 minus interior angle, right? N equal to 360 by exterior angle, it is also right. Each exterior angle, no, it is interior angle, so this one is wrong. I'm sorry students, there is some noise because some work is going on with the side of my house. The PQRS is a square where PR and SQ intersect at O, then angle POQ is A. Now PQRS is a square, this is a square, I'm writing PQRS, so this is a square and the diagonal intersect at point O, then PO. So this is the right angle, students, because in the square diagonal bisect at right angle, so it is a right angle. So come to question number 45. The adjacent angle of the parallelogram are in ratio 1:5, then all the angles of the parallelogram are. So you know you have given adjacent angles, so 5 plus 1 is 6, sum of the adjacent angles is 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 by 6 and you will get 30 degree, right? So one angle is this is the value of x, one angle is 30 degree, second is 5 times of 30, 150 degree, and opposite angles are equal, so these are the pair of 30 and 150 degree. This is first option, right? Come to 46th question. The parallelogram PQRS constructed through QR equal to 6, PQ equal to 4 and the angle PQR is 90 degree, then PQRS is. Okay, let us write this. This is given you 90 degree, that is a right angle. Right angle forms in the square and rectangle, but we have given unequal sides, so this is a rectangle, right? So this is a rectangle. Come to 47th question. Angle PQRS are of the quadrilateral are in this ratio, then PQRS is. Okay, you see 1:3:7:9, all the angles are unequal, right? So but one thing is here, here's 1 plus 9 is 10 and 3 plus 7 is 10. Let us roughly drawing. This is PQRS. If I take them in order 1 3 7 9, so you can see these are the multiples of 10, right? So their sum can be 180 degrees, so it can be a trapezium where PQ is parallel to RS, right? So B is the right option. Come to 48th question. PQRS is a trapezium in which PQ and SR are parallel sides. So P is 130, Q is 110. then R is. Okay, I'm roughly drawing a PQRS trapezium. This is PQRS, right? So what we have given PQ and SR, these are parallel sides, and we have given angle P is 130 degree, and also we have given Q is 110 degree. So what is the measurement of angle R? So you know that if these are two parallel sides and this is a transversal, these are two supplementary angles. So angle R will be equal to 180 minus 110 degrees. So what you get is 70 degree. So let us check the option, which option is showing you 70 degrees. A option. Now come to question number 49. The number of sides of a regular polygon whose each interior angle is 135. At first we have to find the exterior angle by subtracting interior angle from 180 degree. 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 3 is 4. This is 45 exterior angle, and we know that n multiplied to exterior angle equal to 360 degree. N is the number of sides. So n equal to 360 by 45. Earlier we have cut it at 8, right? So if you want to cut at small number, you can cut here, but it cut at 8. So C is the right option. Now come to question number 50. If a diagonal of the quadrilateral bisect both of the angles, then it is a, okay, a diagonal bisect both the angles, then this is, I'm roughly drawing, this is the diagonal. If it bisect the angles, then it is a, okay, parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. Rectangle also, right? So 51. To construct the unique parallelogram, the minimum number of measurements are required 5. I told you 5 measurements are required to construct any quadrilateral. 52nd question. To construct a unique rectangle, maximum number of measures are required are also 5. Okay, here you know that opposite sides are equal. So if you have given length, you have given breadth. Only these two things are required to construct the rectangle, right? So you know that 90 degrees is the angle. So angle you already know. So two minimum things, right? So that's all for today. From tomorrow we will continue our fill-ups, right? Today just MCQ we will do, and thank you for watching my video. If you find my video interesting and helpful in your studies, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, tomorrow, thank you. Have a nice day.